Hello everyone, my name is Dipantu Dash and I will teach you Physics Module 1. So let's start it. Module 1, first topic is Introduction of Quantum Mechanics. So we have to know what is quantum mechanics, how this quantum world works. Unlike our day-to-day life, quantum world is different and it's fascinating. At the end of this video, you will understand why this quantum mechanics is interesting and important too. According to the quantum mechanics, every particle has two nature. One is particle nature and another one is wave nature. It may confuse you, so let me take a real life example. If you throw a stone in water, you will see some ripples spreading its wave. But when you throw it not in a straight path and it's go through a straight path, it's particle. But in quantum mechanics, it show its both nature, particle nature or wave nature at the same instant. In your class 12, you may heard about Young's double slit experiment. Through this experiment, you understand that light has two nature. One is particle nature and another one is wave nature. So I will show you this experiment here. So in this experiment, we throw a beam of light, on a wall through two slits. And everybody know that light is nothing but some photons. And if we add an observer over there, which will track these photons, that is, this photon is going through either this slit or this slit. I mean, this first slit or second slit. Then we will see a pattern like this. This is not interference pattern, but we hear that it shows interference pattern. Where is interference pattern? So, if we remove this observer, then something interesting happens. Then we will see the interference pattern. Everyone knows what is interference pattern? It's a pattern like this, and it's gradually going to darker and brighter, whatever is it. So this is interference pattern. So it's may blow your mind that how this light and these photons know that somebody is observing it. When somebody is observing it, it's showing this pattern. But when we remove this observer, it's showing the interference pattern. That's why I'm saying it's very much fascinating. And so it is about light. But in your physics module, you will read about de Broglie's idea or de Broglie's hypothesis. De Broglie says that not only light, every moving particle has wavelength. You are moving, you also have wavelength. I am moving, I also have wavelength. And this marker is moving, and this marker is also have wavelength. Okay, so if electrons are moving around the nucleus, so electron also have wavelength. And for this wavelength, you can see high resolution videos, high quality videos, and you also can take high resolution images just only for this. That's why I'm saying this is important in your day-to-day life. But you can ask that why we are not seeing the wavelength of this marker. I said that this marker also have wavelength. So why we are not seeing the wavelength of this marker? Because the wavelength is inversely proportional to the size of particle. If the size of particle is larger, then the wavelength will be smaller. If the particle is smaller, the wavelength will be larger. Like this. This electron is very small, so its wavelength is very large. But this marker is huge. so its wavelength is negligible. So to find its position, its energy level, and its wave frequency, we need the boss of quantum mechanics, who is Schrödinger. This is very important for your examination. Schrödinger, Schrödinger has two equations. One is time dependent Schrödinger equation, and another one is time independent Schrödinger equation. Using this Schrödinger equation, we can find the we can predict the position of electron, wavelength, or whatever we will discuss in our upcoming videos. And another interesting topic is there. We can't identify the position and velocity of this electron at the same instant. This is called Heisenberg uncertainty principle. This is also most important topic for your exam. Heisenberg uncertainty principle says that you can't find the position and the speed or velocity of electron, I mean not only electron, of a moving particle at the same instant. आप निकाल ही नहीं सकते, आप एक ही समय पर एक ही पार्टिकल का वेलोसिटी और क्या कहते हैं उसको, पोजीशन निकाल नहीं सकते. फॉर एग्जांपल, if you click an image of a moving car, either we will get a blur image, or if we take an image with high resolution camera, we will get a clear cut image. But when we see the blur image, we can say this car is moving, but we can't say where the car exactly is. But when we see the clear image, we can say the position of car. So we are not getting these two things together. Okay, so I'm just taking a real life example for your better understanding. So this is called Heisenberg uncertainty principle. So in this video, I give a short introduction about quantum mechanics, what is quantum mechanics, how quantum world works. So it will help you to understand our upcoming videos. In next videos, I will talk about the time dependent and time independent Schrödinger equation, then Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Now it's almost 3 a.m. and I am shooting these videos for you, so I can expect your full support. So that's all for today. Best of luck, and subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for all notifications.